This is Toolbox Talk 001, Employee Responsibilities. Introduction. The following Toolbox Talk provides information on the responsibilities of employees whilst at work. The aim of this briefing is to ensure all staff are fully aware of their legal responsibilities. The law in respect of this, the Health and Safety at Work Act, the main piece of legislation introduced to apply some broad duties and best practices for employers as regard to the health and safety of their workforce. As an employee, you have rights and responsibilities for your own well-being and that of your colleagues. The employee must take reasonable care not to put other people, fellow employees and members of the public at risk by what you do or don't do in the course of your work. Cooperate with your employer, making sure you get the proper training and you understand and follow the company's health and safety policies. Cooperate with your employer or any other person so far as is necessary to enable the employer or other person to perform or comply with any requirement or duty imposed under any relevant legislation, and not to interfere with or misuse anything that's been provided for your health, safety or welfare. And what this means is effectively you look after yourself whilst at work, you carry out your work so it does not present a risk to others, using all work items provided by your employer correctly and in accordance with the training and information that they've been given. Report any injuries, strains or illnesses you suffer as a result of doing your job. Your employer may need to change the way you work. Following company health and safety rules, risk assessments, emergency procedures, etc. that are put in place by your employer or anyone the employer nominates to oversee health and safety, such as a manager, supervisor, etc. And wearing any personal protective equipment or PPE that your employer provides for them. Reporting back to the employer anything you may consider a risk to their health and safety or that of other people so that remedial action can be taken. And not intentionally damaging or misusing anything that the employer has provided for the health and safety of employees and other people, such as visitors or members of the public. So, the key points of this. Always follow company health and safety rules. Be aware of how actions could endanger others. Report health and safety concerns to the manager, supervisor or direct to your employer. And don't damage or misuse anything that's been provided for health and safety reasons. And that is the employee responsibilities. Thank you.